Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2013 Volkswagen Passat S, 93,000 miles, just serviced. Body's pretty clean, couple of imperfections we'll point out on the body. Interior's clean, mechanically sound, drives great. Most of the body issues are up on the front bumper cover here. As you can see up here in the front, there's some paint peel on the lower bumper cover, a couple of rock chips up on the hood, but as you can see, overall, body is really clean. Now this is the S, so it's kind of the base package. Bluetooth. Cloth seats are in excellent shape. We'll go ahead and give her a start up. So 93,097 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a shout at 228-438-2056. You can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you know anybody in the South Mississippi area or yourself need some work done on an Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche vehicle, definitely give us a holler. Thanks for checking out this video.